This is a short video showing the default settings for the IONET archiver for notes. On the initial basics tab, we have the license key, which controls how the archiver operates, and some basic stuff about colors and logos and so forth, so you can customize it to your own environment. The global tab allows you to specify whether you're running serially or parallel. Parallel is a lot faster across multiple databases, and some information about clustering and DAOS. Also default information for days to run on, times to run on, and commands to run after archiving has taken place, such as compacting. The archive settings section allows you to control how the archiving takes place generally, such as whether partial restores are allowed, whether or not ACLs are synchronized, whether you should register new archive places in the place catalog, etc. And the log setting section contains information about how the logging is performed, how long it is kept for, etc. The default tabs allow you to specify default settings for databases which are manually added to the archiver, and the remote support tab allows you to tell the archiver to look for new versions of itself, and if found, either notify you for a manual download and installation, or download the new template, sign it using admin-P, and update the design of itself automatically. The very last section allows you to specify a support email address that you can use. The archiver will automatically send any errors, less confidential information to this address. We can then identify what the problem is, release a fix for it if necessary. The archiver can then update itself via that fix and tell you about what was fixed afterwards. So it's a way of taking any responsibility away from the administrator and keeping it in our hands so that it's easier and basically runs itself. So those are the basic default settings for the IONET archiver for notes.